Hello everyone, this is Whiten here, and today I'm making a little vlog again. I'm taking my dog out for walks, as you can see here. Bexy, no, don't go to other people's houses. That is bad. So yeah, I took her out for a while, so I said what I'm doing it so I don't do a vlog for the YouTubes. Thank you all guys for supporting my channel. It really makes me happy. I just to let you guys know, I don't make videos just for subscribers and stuff. I make YouTube videos just to make other people happy. So if there is no videos, they could try to watch mine and whatever. Doesn't matter how many subscribe, likes or whatever I get. I just make them for people to make them happy. So yeah, this is my awesome dog. Yo, she's a girl and her name is Beksy. And yeah, I just wanted to do a little vlog with you guys, talk about life. So there's not a dog. I hope that she knows it. Why are you smelling? Come back here. Why are you smelling? Oh, she's in the door. Come back here. Oh shit. So yeah, she's a Staffordshire Terrier, an English one, and she's a girl, and her name is Beksy. I might start taking her out for walks and record it stuff. Oh shit, what was that? Is that a cockroach? What is that? I have no clue what that is. It just walked right past me. Okay, never mind. Never mind, no. Never mind, oh, so yeah. Hope you're enjoying my channel so far. I know I don't do the best videos, but I really to try my best. I take at least 2 hours to edit my videos and stuff for now. Before I used to just make them in, but now I'm like taking 1 hour to edit, then another hour to upload. So yeah, Beksy, stop smelling doors. Yeah. I said stop smelling the wood. Watch the water into it. Come here. Come here. I haven't taken her out for a walk for quite a bit now, so she's kind of excited. Come on. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this vlog. I just wanted to do it, like I said, those vlogs that I do to talk about stuff with you. And yeah, Beksy, stop smelling dolls. Can you stop smelling dolls? So yeah, shit, she's heading another dog out there. Come here. No, Beksy, good girl, Beksy, good girl. That's a good girl, isn't she? So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog, and I will see you guys in the next video. See you later, alligator.